If you don't want to spend hours in the kitchen, then you'll love this chicken and broccoli stir fry. It's one of our quick and easy 20-minute meals recipes. Cook 1 cup of sushi rice in 2 cups of chicken broth for 20 minutes. Make the stir fry sauce by adding a cup of chicken stock, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a tablespoon of cornstarch, a tablespoon of sesame oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 4 cloves of minced garlic, and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper into a bowl and set it aside. Salt and pepper 2 pounds of diced chicken breasts and pan-sear them in sunflower oil on medium-high heat for 10 minutes. Put the chicken into a bowl. In the same pan, add in more sunflower oil and cook 1 chopped yellow onion, 12 ounces of mushrooms, 12 ounces of broccoli florets, and 4 ounces of sliced carrots for 6 minutes. Add the stir-fry sauce and the cooked chicken back into the pan and you're ready to serve. To see the full video on how it's made, visit thekitchenofchefmark.com or tune into our new cooking channel, The Kitchen of Chef Mark on Roku TV. It was delicious! Until next time, bon appetit!